Oh, so here's another Chief Life video. Let's take a look at this. Do you, I just right here, just right here, I'm going to slow this down. And I just want you to tell me what you think. How does this garden make you feel? Because LEDs work. I keep telling you guys LEDs work, right? Okay. Again, I just want to point out that these are good-looking green plants, okay? There's good-looking green plants. Now look at this garden. Now look at these plants. Now look at this garden. Now look at these plants. Now let's go back to this garden. So my question to you guys is always, where are the leaves? Why doesn't it look green and delicious? You guys, oh, I just love cannabis so much. I'm just going to hump it forever. I'm going to marry it. I just love cannabis. I'm going to do this forever. Blah, blah. Which is exactly what I sounded like 20 years ago, too. Oh, my God, it's so gangster. It's so awesome. I'm going to do this forever. And yet, you look at these trellis holes. You look at the hole. Just look at all the empty holes. Look at all the ground. Look at the back of the tent. You know what? You know what? You know what I want you to look at? Look at how far apart. Look at this branch right here. That branch is this long. It's got one tiny testicle nug here, and the branch is this long and it's got two nuts on it. You can still see the floor. I'm just telling you that this plant, wait, this plant, wait, no, this plant, no, this plant. I'm just telling you that you guys don't understand what good plants look like. That's what I'm really trying to say. What I'm really trying to say, the essence, the point I'm trying to express, the message I want you to decode, the information that I need you to accept. Watch your eyes. They got those little sticks in there. Watch your eyes. I'm just saying, it doesn't look very full. And the plants look very sticky, stocky. They don't... Whatever. Oh, stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Oh, close-ups of awful-looking bud. Ah, ha, ha, ha. You know, I'm not even laughing at this plant. I'm laughing at how much space is lost because this plant is so awful. Why isn't there another whole plant here in the corner? I'm just saying, doesn't look like a garden I would want. But then you're burning them with too much light, so what the fuck do I know? Oh, wait, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? So good. What is it, a brown pear? Look how green and big and bushy those plants look. It's too bad about the flower garden. The veg looks a little better.